Using the laser cutter. Rotary tool setup. Begin by ensuring that the laser cutter is turned off. If it is on, the motherboard will fry. Remove the honeycomb graded plate by flipping the rulers up and pulling the plate up. Next, remove the crumb tray by opening the front panel of the laser cutter, flipping the 2 tabs on the tray up and pulling it out. Before plugging in the rotary tool, make sure that the laser cutter machine is powered down. Line up the pegs on the bottom of the tool with the holes in the base of the laser cutter. Then, plug the rotary tool's cable into the port on the back wall of the laser cutter's bed. Once the rotary tool has been plugged in, turn the laser cutter on. Set your object onto the rubber wheels, adjusting as needed to accommodate your object's height. If your object doesn't easily fit, press the focus button and then lower the bed as needed so that your object can rest on the tool. Press the focus button again. Turn the triangle tool upside down so that it points towards your material. Use the triangle tool to measure the proper distance from the top facing part of the object's surface. Press reset after focusing. When creating a plate size for a rotary tool object, the entire surface area of the object must be accounted for. Because it's resting horizontally, the object's height will be listed as the width in EngraveLab. The height dimension you feed into EngraveLab will be taken from the object's circumference. This Hydro Flask is 9 inches tall and has a diameter of 2.75. The width of my plate will be 9 inches and the height will be 8.64 inches. Since the plate wraps around your object, where you place your image on the plate will make a big difference. The top edge of the plate starts at whatever point on the object is facing up when you begin. An image placed along the very top border of the plate will start engraving on the part of the object facing up. An image placed in the center of the plate will likely end up on the back side of the object. Adjust your print setup settings just like you would a raster engraving job. Remember to change your piece size so that it matches what you entered earlier. Make sure that the preview box is checked and click OK. If everything looks good and there are no blue lines going through your image, you are ready to print. Send your job to the laser cutter machine by clicking Print and OK. As always, turn on both the filter and the compressor next to the laser cutter machine before you start. When everything is turned on, shut the lid of the laser cutter and press the green Go button. Before removing the rotary tool, when you are finished, make sure that the laser cutter machine is powered down. Turn off the machine, turn off the filter, turn off the compressor, remove your object. Remove the rotary tool by unplugging the cable. Return the crumb tray to the laser cutter machine. Return the graded plate to its original position as well. Nice work!